Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a business logo with Canva easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one for free. Once logged in, click on the search bar at the top. Type logo and hit enter. You will see a variety of logo templates available. Browse through the options to find a design that resonates with your brand. Click on a template to open it in the editor. Once the template loads, you can customize the elements. Select the text box to edit the brand name. Change the font and size using the options in the toolbar. To modify the colors, click on the color box next to the text. Choose colors that represent your brand identity. Next, you can rearrange or resize elements as needed. Drag and drop icons or shapes from the left panel to enhance your logo. Use the Elements tab to search for specific graphics or icons. Make sure your logo is balanced and visually appealing. If you want to change the background, click on the background area. Select a color or choose a transparent background if preferred. Once you're satisfied with your design, click on the download button. Choose the file type you need, most commonly PNG or JPG. Ensure to select transparent background if your logo requires it. Click the download button to save your logo to your device. Your logo is now ready for use in branding your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.